The HOVERAir X1 PROMAX is a selfie drone, but today we want to fly it with a controller. This video is sponsored by HOVERAir. The HOVERAir Beacon is actually something very clever. They have two ends, and on each end you can actually connect a joystick. Number one and number two. So now, if I go behind like this, turn around, I have a controller. And I can even put a phone here. This is amazing. So you can just fly around here and control your gimbal like you would any normal drone with a full-size controller. And again, if you put the phone here, you have a full-size screen or even bigger. This is a really cool feature they added here. So when I connect my phone to the controller here, I'm just sliding my phone in here like that, very simple. And then you have a USB-C connection here and another USB-C connection on your phone. So the controller, the Beacon, comes with a cable, you have USB-C to USB-C cable. It also comes with a USB-C to Lightning cable in case you have an older iPhone. But so yeah, that's basically the connection here. So let's connect our cool controller to the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX. Press the long press here, and now it comes on here. Now you have to turn on the drone. USB is connected, please check in the app. So we need to go to the app. Now I have a whole folder of drone apps. The Hover app is here. Open up here and then we just have to click on Smart Preview here. Now we can see what the drone is seeing. Now we have a huge screen available, much bigger than the built-in screen here, and it's much easier to keep control of what's going on and changing all the functions. But it's a cool way that we can actually use both depending on your need. Again, if you don't have your phone or want to use your phone for something else, it's great to be able to just use the built-in screen. But if you do have your phone or a secondary phone, connect it because you have a big, nice screen with your controller. Let's start the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX here. Let's start it up.
Far, follow.
So we have far follow right now, okay? And we're recording here. So it basically just, as you can see here, I'm recording, it follows me here around. Yeah, I can see what the drone is doing here because I have it, the remote controller here. And I can adjust a little bit also while I'm flying. I want to go a little bit higher. I mean, when I go closer, when I go a little bit higher, as you can see, it automatically does it while I'm walking around here. I want to go further backwards here, so it's further away here from me, and it's still following me around here. I'm recording also what I'm doing here, and let's get a little bit closer to me. I want to basically now take over. I want to click on manual control. And now I can manually fly the drone and have this beautiful big screen connected to it, my phone here. You can just fly like any other regular drone with a normal controller. Turn around, up and down, forward. You can just use it like a regular controller and all with the beautiful screen of your phone. And if I want to move the gimbal up here, I can just do this here. It goes automatically up to the horizon. That's really cool. It's just this little knob here. You can go up and down with the gimbal. Now let's just fly the HOVERAir X1 PROMAX here with the controller itself without any phone connected here, because sometimes you want to use your phone for other purposes. So it's great that you actually can use the controller itself with the built-in little screen here. We can actually here choose the different modes. Let's do zoom out.
Zoom out.
I like zoom out here.
Zoom out.
So we have zoom out here, and then we can just start here on the HOVERAir here. We just press here. You can see the little picture here, And if I want to basically just interfere, I just hit the function button here once.
Activating manual control.
I can long press to get home, but I want to continue flying. I want to continue flying, and I also want to record here. This way we actually can see what I'm filming here. Let's just try around. We can manually control here the drone. Here we go. Flying very nicely around here with our beacon and the two joysticks / controller, and that's it. Manually flying the drone home to me. Very gentle home. Let's come down here. You should see the drone coming into picture, and then if you want to grab it, just grab it. That's how you can fly your drone with the HOVERair controller / beacon and joystick combination. So what do you think about flying the HOVERair X1 PROMAX with the controller, with the beacon and two joysticks? It's pretty cool that you can do that flying like a regular drone. If you want to learn more about the HOVERair X1 PROMAX, there's a link in the description below. And check out this video next to learn more about filmmaking and how to use them, including a playlist of the HOVERair. Thanks for watching and see you next one. Bye for now. Bye, bye, bye.